BioCartilage extracellular matrix is derived from Allograft articular cartilage and serves as a scaffold following marrow stimulation procedures. To prepare for implantation, utilize the tissue retractor to improve visualization of the joint. Then, debride the defect, remove the unstable cartilage layer, and establish stable perpendicular margins. Utilize the power pick to create bone marrow access channels to complete the microfracture procedure. Dry the joint and defect thoroughly using suction and the cannulated swabs, then utilize the delivery needle to deliver BioCartilage extracellular matrix into the defect. The arthropaddle delivery device can then be used to deliver and smooth the BioCartilage extracellular matrix into the articular cartilage defect, leaving the mixture slightly recessed to the surrounding cartilage. Apply a thin layer of fibrin over the construct and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before manipulating the joint.